Boom. So, good morning everybody, welcome to my channel. Also, if you're new here, welcome. If you're new, then also, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to IKEA because my baby doesn't have a bed yet. So I will go to IKEA today. First I'll do some yoga. Okay, it's just a placemat actually. I wanna change it. Let's check what shoes I wear. I think I'll wear the super pretty shoes. Oh, this looks so cute. What about that? Oh, no. What about this too? What about this? Okay, now I'm gonna get my baby. I have to comb my hair because I want to comb my hair. Oh, I already have the crib, I didn't know. I will bring him to IKEA because he likes IKEA. I have a lot of things. I miss it. I still have to make a kitchen because I was like I was looking for a long time. Okay, I will have this on because I already control this one. So I will just he can wear whatever he likes. Okay, now I'm gonna go to IKEA. Sorry guys. I mean now I need Uber because I don't have a car yet. Also I don't have my driving license. So I have to get Uber. It's really hard to. I don't know how to drive this. I will get Uber. And that pink car down there. I don't have Uber, so I have to go to the where's the IKEA. I'm almost there to go to. IKEA's really far. I will get an Uber. I don't call taxi. I call Uber. Sounds fun. Are we almost there? I put the crib leg away because I don't like it. Yeah, the Uber driver is named Max. Max is to go to IKEA. It's actually IKEA. Okay, my parcel is up here. We're there. And IKEA. Thank you, Uber driver. Oh, wait a second. What's that? Oh, I thought it was the Uber driver I had last week's ago. Wait, oh my god, I have that. Looks so relaxed for my kid. Oh, it also fits. I don't know if I'm gonna get pregnant again. Because that was so weird. I got pregnant when I was literally 19. Actually, that's the weirdest age I got pregnant today. I don't know if I'm gonna get pregnant again. Let's just see. Because I don't like being pregnant, but always my belly hurts a lot. I think I'm pregnant. I did pregnant test and I am pregnant. Actually, I'm pregnant. I saw it. Real. Oh my god, that beds are so pretty, but I don't have a husband. Because I broke up with him. Just joking. I just don't have a husband because I don't like him. I'm a single mom. That's so sad. I'm not really disappointed I'm a single mom. Like, I don't have double because I have a single kid because I'm like only I don't like it. Being with kid, we love kid, but it's not exhausted. Because I'm literally like the age of to be with this. I like this problem. Not really, because I can't really chat to myself or to anybody. Wait, oh no way! They have literally they're almost the last crib yet. Which one crib? This crib or this crib? I want that one. But I love them. I love them. I will get it. I'm not gonna get an Uber driver because is there like a box where you can like I don't know how you say it. I only have to go to like this is the best thing ever, but I don't actually like. Okay. Oh my god, it does not fit. How do I get it? Like you don't want to go by like the fan thing. It's really exhausting. Oh, I think I'll ask my. I do have a boyfriend, but not actually a boyfriend. It's not actually my. It's actually my boyfriend. I'll call it. Sing ring 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 boyfriend. Actually, it's actually my friend. But she'll help me because she doesn't have the kids, but she doesn't really have. She has kids, but she never brings her kids. She's actually half of the same age as me, but I'm younger. I mean older. Hi, girl. Oh my god. How's your kid doing today? Oh, hi. How's your kid doing today? She's doing extremely well. I mean, her kid is older than my kid. Her kid is 19. 5 years old. I love it. Why it looks so crazy today? Because I'm still studying to work. I'm actually working, but studying still. Yeah. All day. Thank you for coming because I couldn't have any in my hand. Oh, thank you, girl. Girl, you're slayed. You're slayed, girl. What will we buy? I think I want to have a little light. Some plushies. This one. Girl, I found at IKEA today. I'm sure bubble. Okay, some girl. Okay, I'll leave my baby here. Is your ex here? Oh my god, are you saying my kid is here and my ex is here? Poor kid. Yeah, they're brilliant. Oh, hey, what's up? What's up? Ex? Yeah. Oh, hi, ex. What is happening to her? And he's a kid. My kid? I don't have 2 kids, but why are you here? I'm literally happy. I thought I want to go check for that bed. For that bed. For a sweet. Oh no, you don't have it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's really normal to have that. Okay, let's go to IKEA. Okay, see you. Are you gonna actually sneak me? Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I have to go. That's why I think you have to call Uber Eats. I don't want to. I mean Uber. Okay. Also, sorry. Okay, let's go. Let's call Uber. Boom, 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 la 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 la. All the girls like all the girls like girls. Okay, I'm not back in. But we're not gonna do your bed, little. I will buy now him clothes, but I need to make the babysit him because he doesn't like. I have to hold a lot of things in my hand. I'm almost done, guys. Girl. Okay, that still makes sense. Where are we gonna put a bed? I think here. Here's the right spot. Here. Let's put all of his clothes here. It's like so tired of that. Bye guys, I'll meet you in the next video tomorrow. And I love you guys. Goodbye.